2 people. Thank you, Sunil. Isko, are you there? You will not be seen. Yeah, I just went to the kitchen. I checked my rice. But after 2 minutes again, I will check because it's already almost done. Ibnu, hello. Thank you for coming again, Ibnu. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Never been to me. Ayos lang, kaso pagod ako eh. Para akong nag-gym. Para akong galing sa gym lagi. Kapagod sa katawan, wala naman akong ginagawa kaso mapagod magbantay nung bata. Uy, thank you so much, Ibno. Thanks a lot. Sino kaya to si Ibno? Thank you so much. Thanks a lot, my dear friend. I love your voice. Ano yan? Nightingale voice. Ano daw? Thank you for my super. Ibno, thank you for your support. Thank you, my dear Ibno. Thank you. Ano tawag dyan? Roofer sticker, super chat. Thank you so much, G. Shukriya. Mag 1 hour lang ako. Nakadagdag. May sahod ka na, Kikiam? May sahod ka na nung update mo ngayong buwan? Thanks a lot, G. Shukriya, G. Kanta ka sa live ko. Hindi pwede. Matutulog na ako. Nag-update lang ako. Wala daw sahod. Ako mayroon na ako. Thank you so much to all of you, 9 people. 9 likes pala, 3 people. Well, congrats. Thank you. Pero focus muna ako sa... Thank you so much. Focus muna ako sa Kwan. Focus muna